Hello, if you want to check the sound level, all you have to do is just to click on the Chrome button once, and you will have to start scrolling and click on this icon. And as you can see, it looks like this. As you can see, it's actually measuring the sound level around us. And when you click on the information icon, you can even get some base information. So exposure to sounds below 80 decibels should not affect our hearing. But when we go above 80 decibels, it can actually lead to permanent damage. So we have to consider using hearing protection or moving to a quieter area. And also there's information about 80 decibels around 5 hours and 30 minutes a day. And also about 85, 90, 95. So as you can see with the 95, just 10 minutes a day at this level can cause temporary hearing loss. The weekly limit at this level is around 1 hour and 15 minutes. So there's like really useful information, very valuable information that you should actually get while using this feature, and that will be all.